Let's get your custom Canva Place cards printed out quickly and correctly. Start by opening up your finished table card design inside the Canva workspace. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. A drop-down menu will appear and you need to scroll down slightly to click on Download. Under the File Type option, click the small arrow to open the list and select PDF Print. This specific format ensures your cards print with the highest possible quality. Right below that, look for the checkbox that says Crop Marks and Bleed. If your place cards have colors or patterns that go all the way to the edge of the paper, you need to check this box. This adds small lines to help you make perfectly clean cuts later. However, the trade-off is that it adds extra wide border space around your design during printing, so you must trim the paper manually to get the actual final card size. Once that is sorted, click the purple download button at the bottom and wait for the file to save. Now, locate that downloaded file on your computer and double-click to open it inside any web browser or standard PDF viewer. Head over to the top menu bar and click on the print icon or just press Ctrl P on your keyboard. In the print settings window, make sure you change the paper size to match the exact paper cardstock you put into your printer tray. It is also critical to set the scale to actual size or 100% so Canva does not accidentally shrink your cards. Double check your orientation to ensure it matches your design, and then click Print at the bottom of the window. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.